Hello, so today we are going to talk about Reeboks current. As name suggests, it is derived from a device called Reeboks. It's a small yet important topic. It has a point electrode as shown here in the figure and a handheld device which we give to the patient to hold on the other hand of the patient, and a point electrode is negative in nature. The device consists of micro ammeter and earphone so that we can hear to the sounds. The system can be linked to the computer for display of a graph of current and also to hear sounds. The current produced consists of unipolar rectangular pulses of between 50 to 250 microseconds and 3000 Hz. Now let's see what happens when Reeboks current is applied to normal tissues or a normal human being. So when Reeboks current is applied to normal tissue, the current rises over a period of about 1 second, giving a characteristic displacement of the ammeter, and a sound is produced which we can hear through earphone, and also we can see the different shapes formed on the graph paper. So what will happen when it will be applied to a damaged or abnormal tissue? A different pattern is seen compared to the normal graphs, and there can be lower rise in the current taking about 3 to 4 seconds or may occur in different steps. Repeated application of this current for a few seconds at a time, that is up to 20 volt, leading to maximum current of 0.3 millimeter proximal to the injured area, that is little ahead from the injured area. Using this device, treatment is claimed to lead normal response. This Reeboks current can be used for muscle pains, skeletal pains, recent traumas, and other conditions also of pain. Thank you for watching the video.